Habari yako?
Ni shwari tu mdogo kwema.
Kwema. Unanitaka unitaki?
Mbona umekaa hoji yenyewe? Umenyoka.
Unanitaka unitaki? Mambo ya kunyoka unajua wewe na Mungu wako.
Nakutaka.
Na miaka mingapi?
31.
Una mtoto?
Yes.
Una mtoto?
Yeah.
Umeoa?
No, hapana.
Unaishi kwenu, unaishi kwako?
Naishi kwangu.
Una urefu wa size gani?
Urefu I think 46 point something.
You think you're not sure? Can you stand?
So, I'm naked.
How can you come live naked?
I'm naked. I'm in my bed.
You have to have a night. A man cannot sleep naked. Lazima ulale na nguo. Mwanaume halali hivyo, kuna popobawa.
Yani silali naked, yani sipo naked because kwamba niko empty, no?
Yeah, wear your shirt because you're interested with me, not these people. Why can't you dress?
Okay, 1 minute please. Let me wear. So you see me?
Okay, songea kule kwa pazia kidogo.
Where?
Kule kwa pazia ya mwisho nipate kuna urefu wako.
Unataka kupewa urefu wangu vipi?
Yeah, wewe ni mrefu, mimi sio mfupi. Karibu.
Yeah, of course mimi mrefu ya. Okay, come on.
Okay. Unaitwa nani? Unatokea wapi? Jitambulishe, nataka kufahamu. Introduce yourself to me please.
I'm Paul Junior from Arusha.
Okay.
Okay.
Introduce yourself. Just Arusha. What is you? Who are you? Paul is who? I want to know Paul.
My professional?
Yeah, I know everything. I want to know you. Introduce yourself. It's like me. You ask me, introduce yourself. I'll introduce myself full package of me. I will just introduce who I am. When I need you, just say who you are, what you do for living, and where do you stay. Yeah, like I want to know everything.
Paul Junior is my name.
Okay.
My professional, I'm the doctor, MD. I mean.
Okay, that's good.
I'm employed in government.
Okay.
In government hospital. I'm working in Mwanza City.
Okay.
Hospital moja ya wilaya Nyamagana inaitwa Nyamagana Hospital. Yeah, I'm working. Yo.
Okay, kwa hivyo una mtoto. Umesema una.
So in case of mtoto, sinisha kujibu kwamba na mtoto.
Yeah, anakaa wapi?
But I'm not married.
Okay, you had a kid. Okay, I understand.
Yeah, I have a kid, but I'm not married.
Do you stay with your kid?
No.
Okay.
Yeah, wao wapo Arusha.
Okay. What's your type of a lady you're looking for?
Type of?
What is your type of a lady you're looking for?
Oh, type of lady I'm looking is unajua issue ya mwanamke ukiongelea. Mwanamke ni kwamba the way you treat her. The way you treat her, ndo the way atakapo kuteka.
You say you are a doctor. I say what kind of a type of a lady you're looking for. Unanambia mambo ya kumtreat. Sikuelewi manake you are a doctor, you went to school. I ask you a question as a doctor, what is your type of a lady? And you say you are a doctor, then you don't know what I'm talking about typing?